Hi guys, this is Sharmin here. I'm from Educatorsharmin YouTube channel, Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter I have, so you can follow me there. So in this video I'm going to teach you physics math problems. So let's get started. So make sure pen and paper you need to write. Very important, physics math really important for get a good score. So let's get started. What is the magnitude of the electric field at a distance of 10 meter for 5 coulomb charge? So you need to figure out what is the magnitude of the electric field. What's the given? First you need to figure out what's the given. So what's the figure out and what's the formula you use here. So given here, that is the 10 distance. Here is a distance, q is a 5 coulomb, and here is a formula used, E equal to kq divided by r square. Q here is a 5 coulomb, q2 here is a minus 1.6 times 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, r equal to 10 meter, and k equal to 9 times 10 to the power 9 Newton meter square per coulomb square. We know that is the constant value. So we just use what's the given here. First you write, you bracket here, write down everything what is given here, and you write the formula and write down what's the find out magnitude, right? So magnitude here is the E, magnitude of the electric field, that is E equal to, so you just use calculator. You are a high school students, so you must use calculator and get a result. What's the result? 4.5 times 10 to the power 8 Newton per coulomb. That is your answer. There is a proton in the center of a hydrogen atom and electron outside it. So the charge of the proton and electron are that is the 1.6 times 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, and minus 1.6 times 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. That is the, so here is the that is the respectively means here is the charge of proton, that is the positive, and electron, that is the negative, minus 1.6 times 10 to the power 19 coulomb. So that is for electron. So if the distance of the orbit of the electron from the nucleus is 0.5 times 10 to the power 8 meter, how much attraction is found between them? So here is the two particles, two materials, that is the one is there is a proton is the center of the hydrogen atom and electron outside it. So first you need to figure out what's the given here, then you can find the what you need to figure out. So here is a formula, that is F equal to K q1 q2 divided by r square. We know that q1, that is the positive 1.6 times 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, and q2, that is the negative minus 1.6 times 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. We know that. Then k here is a constant. We know that is the value, constant value, that is 9 times 10 to the power 9 Newton meter square by coulomb square. And here is also distance here, distance, that is the r. R here is a 0.5 times 10 to the power minus 8 meter. So what you need to figure out? So here you need to figure out the how much attraction, that means how much attraction means how much force here, F you need to figure out. So just use the formula, and what's the given here, write down and use calculator, you get the answer. Answer is, that is minus 9.22 times 10 to the power minus 12 Newton. That is the force here. That is the attraction. The amount of stored energy if 10 volt electric potential is applied to a 20, that is the capacitor. So what you need to figure out, what's the given here. So here is a given here, 10 volt electric potential, that is the stored energy, amount of stored energy. You need to figure out what is the amount of stored energy. And also, so energy equal to half CV square. So what's the given here, that is the applied potential is applied to 20, that is the capacitor. So what is capacitor? Capacitor is a device. Capacitor is a device that stores electrical energy in an electric field. So when heat is applied to a body, the amount by which its temperature rises depends on the heat capacity of that body. So when the volume of heat capacity is large enough, temperature rise will be small even if a huge amount of heat is given to that body. So that is the capacitor. So what's the given here and what's the formula? You know the formula, you know the what's the given here, then you write down and use calculator. You are high school students, use calculator and find out. So here is the answer is E energy, that is the joule, that is the 10 to the power minus 3 joule. Guys, I hope that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you soon with another new video. Keep watching and keep practicing and good luck your physics test. Thank you so much guys, you were amazing, you support me a lot.